Welcome to Sugosha Defense News. Today's highlights. Indian Army starts process to buy more powerful and lighter artillery guns worth Rs 7,000 crores. Bharat Electronics secures orders worth Rs 695 crores. US-India sign pact for reciprocal priority support to promote national defense. India-Poland joint statement establishment of strategic partnership. Final testing phase for Astra Mark II BVRAAM missile soon to be integrated on Indian Rafale fighter jets. India nears its quantum moment. Completion of first quantum computer expected soon. Indian Air Force is exploring the deployment of loitering munitions from C-130J Super Hercules aircraft, enhancing offensive capabilities. DRDO is upgrading the Indian Navy's Kilo-class submarines with the USHUS-2 sonar suite. Indian Air Force has issued an expression of interest for comprehensive maintenance services for its fleet of 73 PC-7 MKII aircraft. Nuclear-capable Prithvi-2 ballistic missile successfully test-fired in night trial off the Odisha coast. Area Global to invest Rs 300 crores in Andhra Pradesh to manufacture hydrofoil boat for Indian Navy. Marine Electricals partners with Cummins, India to make naval ship pumps. DRDO's project Virupaksha to gives Su-30 MKI cutting-edge ASA radar with antenna repositioner. Some global news. Saab partners with Singapore's DSTA to supply composite superstructures for new Navy ships. British Space Command launches its first of military satellite constellation dedicated to ISR. US Army requests industry proposals for Titan intelligence and surveillance system deployment. US Army explores an AI system capable of targeting 1,000 objectives per hour. SNC wins Army contract for Hades spy plane. Let's have a look at the news in detail. United States and India have signed an agreement to provide reciprocal priority support for goods and services to promote national defense and to enable the two countries to acquire the industrial resources they need from one another to resolve unanticipated supply chain disruptions to meet national security needs. Vic Ramdas, the American Principal Deputy Assistant Secretary of Defense for Industrial Base Policy and the Indian Defense Ministry's Additional Secretary and Director General Acquisitions, Mr. Samir Kumar Sinha, signed the non-binding Security of Supply Arrangement (SOSA) on 22nd of August. India is the 18th SOSA partner of the US after Australia, Canada, Denmark, Estonia, Finland, Israel, Italy, Japan, Latvia, Lithuania, Netherlands, Norway, Republic of Korea, Singapore, Spain, Sweden, and the United Kingdom. Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi paid an official visit to Poland from 21st to 22nd August. The historic visit came as both nations celebrate the 70th anniversary of their diplomatic relations. Some of the highlights of the meeting were to elevate India-Poland bilateral relations to the level of a strategic partnership. Both the leaders acknowledged the growing importance of expanding economic cooperation in sectors such as technology, agriculture, connectivity, mining, energy, and environment, and to bolster bilateral cooperation in this field, including in cybersecurity, to enhance stability and trust between the two countries, and to strengthen and deepen cooperation in the defense sector. To this end, they agreed to fully utilize existing bilateral mechanisms, including the Joint Working Group for Defense Cooperation. Indian Air Force is setting its sight on a groundbreaking tactical innovation, deploying loitering munitions from its fleet C-130J Super Hercules military transport aircraft. This concept, which is already being explored by the United States Air Force, has the potential to transform the Air Force's offensive capabilities. This approach offers extended range, rapid response, minimized risk, and covert operations. A new pod housing 3 to 4 loitering munitions will be launched from the C-130, doubling their range to 200 kilometers. A single 130 could carry up to 30 pods, potentially launching over 500 loitering munitions, overwhelming enemy defenses. The DRDO is upgrading the Indian Navy's Kilo-class submarines with the USHUS-2 sonar suite. USHUS-2 is a state-of-art upgrade of NPOL designed sonar USHUS in terms of the technology and sonar capabilities. USHUS or USHUS is operational on board 5 of the 9 frontline EKM submarines of Indian Navy. USHUS-2 is a world-class sonar suite tailored for the remaining 4 EKM class of submarines. The USHUS-2 sonar suite includes passive active intercept, obstacle avoidance sonar, and underwater telephony, enhancing detection, tracking, and classification capabilities. Bharat Electronics is responsible for producing the USHUS-2 sonar suite, which is currently being installed on Indian Navy platforms. This upgrade is expected to significantly bolster the Indian Navy's anti-submarine warfare capabilities. India is nearing completion of its first quantum computer, a milestone project led by the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research in Mumbai. The small scale computer is being developed by TIFR's Quantum Measurement and Control Lab, established 12 years ago to tackle fundamental challenges in building quantum systems. The project is a collaboration between TIFR, DRDO, and TCS. Together, they are designing essential components such as the quantum processing unit, electronics, and software, each presenting its own complexities. DRDO successfully carried out a night user trial of its nuclear-capable Prithvi-2 ballistic missile on 22nd of August. The launch, conducted from a defense facility off the Odisha coast at approximately 7:46 p.m. The Prithvi-2, an indigenously developed missile of DRDO, is a cornerstone of India's nuclear deterrence strategy. It is designed to precisely target and destroy adversaries within a range of 350 kilometers. Prithvi 2 is a single-stage liquid-fueled missile equipped with a sophisticated guidance system for precision targeting. It boasts a payload capacity of 500 to 1000 kilograms, allowing it to deliver both conventional and nuclear warheads. The Prithvi series, including the Prithvi 2, forms a crucial part of India's missile arsenal, significantly contributing to the nation's credible minimum deterrence posture. Singapore-based Arya Global has announced plans to invest 300 crore rupees in Andhra Pradesh to set up manufacturing plants for hydrofoil boats and synthetic wood. In addition to hydrofoil boats, Arya Global also plans to manufacture biosynthetic wood from plastic waste. This innovative product is said to be comparable to natural wood in quality and poses no threat of environmental pollution. Marine Electricals Limited has announced a significant memorandum of understanding with Cummins India Limited. The collaboration aims to manufacture and service pumps specifically designed for Indian Navy ships as well as for private ship owners. The partnership also extends to exploring opportunities in the energy sector by providing power generation solutions. In addition to this strategic partnership, Marine Electrical subsidiary Narhari Engineering Works is undergoing a capacity expansion to manufacture both naval and marine motors up to a 1 megawatt range. Furthermore, the company will commence production of alternators for naval and marine applications at their new facility in Palghar. Narhari Engineering has a long standing reputation for producing custom made shock graded motors that comply with naval engineering standards since 1964, and they currently build motors for various applications suitable for naval ships up to a 300 kilowatt rating. Marine Electricals has recently established offices in Europe and the UAE to further strengthen their focus on the export market. DRDO has confirmed Project Virupaksha, an ambitious endeavor to modernize the Su-30 MKI fighter jets with advanced active electronically scanned array AESA radars. This upgrade is set to significantly bolster the fighter's capabilities, including enhanced air surveillance, air to ground targeting, and weapon control. A key highlight of this project is the inclusion of an antenna repositioner, enabling the radar's antenna to be maneuvered in both elevation and azimuth planes. This will greatly expand the radar's field of view, enhancing its overall performance and versatility. The Laboratory for Electronics and Instrumentation (LRDE) is currently developing the Uttam Mark II antenna with this repositioner capability. Some global defense news. Saab has entered into an agreement with Singapore's Defence Science and Technology Agency (DSTA) to provide six composite superstructures for the Republic of Singapore's Navy's upcoming multi-role combat vessels (MRCVs). Under this contract, Saab will be responsible for the detailed design, production, and final assembly of these superstructures. The composite superstructures, known for their lightweight properties, play a crucial role in reducing the vessel's center of gravity, which in turn enhances their stability. On 22nd of August, U.S. Army's Program Executive Office for Intelligence, Electronic Warfare and Sensors issued a request for information to conduct market research for its Tactical Intelligence Targeting Access Node, the Titan project. Led by the project manager, intelligence and analytics, and the product manager for intelligence system, this initiative aims to redefine support mechanisms on modern battlefields through the integration of advanced technologies. Designed as a next generation AI enabled mobile ground intelligence station, Titan will enhance multi domain operations, joint all domain operations, and long range precision fires. The system will integrate data from space, high altitude, aerial, and terrestrial sensors to provide actionable intelligence directly to fire control networks and offer multidisciplinary support for mission command. The U.S. Army, through a series of experiments conducted since 2020, has developed an advanced targeting system that could transform how forces operate on the battlefield. This system, known as the Maven Smart System, uses a combination of sensors, artificial intelligence, and machine learning to quickly analyze a combat environment, identify targets, and strike them effectively. Already in use within US Central Command and applied to solve logistical issues globally, the system could allow small teams of soldiers to strike up to 1,000 targets per year. Sierra Nevada Corporation (SNC) has won a high-flying Army contract to convert a business jet into a deep sensing spy plane, beating out an industry team up featuring L3 Harris, Leidos, and MAG Aerospace. Under the High Accuracy Detection and Exploitation System (HADES) program, SNC will now be charged with integrating sensing technologies aboard the Bombardier Global 6500 business jet for airborne intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions as the service phases out a legacy fleet of turboprop aircraft. That's the news for today. We hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you.